under my supervision. But we are also under that NDRRMC insofar as the whole of nation approach point system.
It's intensive formula
Commandant, yung pong balita, etong tatlong barko na inalubog sa bataan ay pinagiging na lang may ginagawang illegal na pag-ihi ng mga langis, so kaya ay sinadya daw pong palubogin. I don't know if you are the right person for me to ask this, pero meron po ba talaga tayong intelligence that this might have some truth to the umiikot na balitang ito?
Sa ngayon po, ang focus natin ay sa response. We want to remove the threat first and foremost. But we are not discounting po. Hindi po namin sinasawalang bahala yung mga information po na nakakarating sa atin na baka nga daw involved sa ganong gawain yung mga barko. The full investigation will proceed after the removal of the threat from the scene. So we will get back to report in due time.
Copy po, Admiral. Sa Tanza, Cavite po, ang sabi ng pamalakaya, meron daw silang naobserbahan na medyo masamang amoy na maaaring may kinalaman sa oil spill at meron din silang mga nahuling mga isda na medyo merong slip o oil patches of oil sa kanilang mga katawan. Can you react to this, Admiral?
Yes, we are working as a government, as a whole of government. The BIFAR has been doing their role as well. Siguro po mas maigi para mas authoritative po yung BIFAR na lang po ang mag-comment so far as fisheries concerned.
Okay, but let's put it this way. All things being equal, can we already say na contained na po yung oil spill as of the moment anyway?
Yes, it is contained, but it's not yet as we desire na permanent po yung tanks na nailagay yung seals na nailagay natin sa baba because it is made of canvas. While it is a special type of canvas, mas preferred po natin na steel yung ilalagay natin. But we can say po na we are on top of the situation. The oil spill was prevented or has been prevented. It is contained. Wala na pong new streaks of oil flowing.
Very quickly, Admiral, by way of my last point, ano po, dumadami po yung mga ganito na lumulubog, tapos nagkakaroon ng threat or actual oil spill. What is the PCG doing in terms of preventive measures po para medyo kung hindi man mapahinto totally, kumunti na yung chances